If you're new to concealed carry, you don't have to have everything figured out. You don't need to be fast, you don't need to be perfect, and you definitely don't need to look like anyone else. But what you do need is the right mindset, because that will matter long before any other skill does. On this channel, I focus on helping everyday people think clearly about concealed carry, mindset, and real-world decision-making. And when people first start carrying, it's normal to focus on the gear, and I've been guilty of this myself. What gun should I buy? What holster is best? How do I become more confident or more capable? And these are all fair questions, but they're not where most of the problems actually begin. In my experience, issues usually come from the decisions made before anything physical ever happens. One of the most important things to understand early is this. Carrying a firearm doesn't automatically make you safer, but what it does give you is a responsibility. A responsibility to stay aware, responsibility especially to manage your emotions, and responsibility to avoid situations whenever possible. That responsibility by far matters more than the equipment that you'll carry. Here's the mindset shift that I encourage people to make early on. Concealed carry is not about winning confrontations. It's actually about avoiding them. It's about recognizing when to disengage and when to slow things down. Understanding that the best outcome is usually the one where nothing happens at all. And this kind of judgment is a skill, and it's something that you can build over time. Now let's think about one simple habit that can help you build that mindset. The next time that you're out in public, periodically check in with yourself. Let's say that you're going into a grocery store or a gas station. Before you think about anything else, just pause for a second and ask yourself, where am I right now? Who's around me? And what would de-escalation look like if something felt off? This might mean choosing a different line, it might mean giving someone some extra space, and it might actually mean leaving altogether. You don't need drills or tactics for this, just awareness and intention. If you're new to concealed carry, you don't have to have everything figured out. And as I mentioned, you don't have to be the fastest, and you don't have to be perfect, and you don't need to look like anyone else that you might see online. Start by thinking clearly, stay grounded, and respect the responsibility that comes with carrying. That mindset will serve you long before any other skill does. Now, where are you in your concealed carry journey? If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments, and as always, stay safe, stay aware, and thanks for watching.